Hey everyone! Images can make your Microsoft Word documents more engaging and easier to understand. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to insert, resize, move, and format pictures in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Start by opening Microsoft Word and creating a new document, or open an existing one where you'd like to add an image. Click in the area where you want the picture to appear before inserting it. Next, select the Insert tab and click Pictures. Choose this device if your image is saved on your computer, or use one of the available online image options if they're supported in your version of Word. Select your picture and click Insert. Once the image appears, click on it to display the corner handles. Drag a corner handle to resize the picture while keeping its original proportions. Then click and drag the image to move it to the position you want. To control how text appears around your image, select the picture and choose Layout options. You can keep the image in line with the text, wrap text around it, place it behind the text, or move it in front of the text. Try different options to see which layout works best. You can also improve the appearance of your image using the Picture Format tab. From there, crop the picture, add borders, apply picture styles, or make simple adjustments like brightness and color to match your document. And that's how you insert and customize images in Microsoft Word. With these simple tools, you can create documents that are more attractive, informative, and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.